Right, so we have a report regarding Apple's mixed reality headset approaching liftoff and being ready for release very soon. And so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. So the analysts over at Morgan Stanley believe Apple's ramping up the number of patents they are filing that relates to an AR/VR headset. And while they say this matches the development of the Apple Watch, since we did see a ton of patents regarding a watch being filed at the same rate months before the release of the Apple Watch. And so this does suggest to me that we could see the mixed reality headset launch at the September 2022 event, much like the Apple Watch was unveiled at the September 2014 event. And this makes a ton of sense because the iPhone event is by far Apple's biggest event. It's the one with the most eyeballs, since of course the iPhone is Apple's biggest product. And so as the press, media and the public tune in to of course look at the new iPhones, Apple can reveal one more thing, and that could be the mixed reality headset. In fact, since Apple's employees do return to campus at the beginning of 2022, I can see Apple giving us an in-person September event, since of course Apple does ideally want a live audience to react to this massive release, and also interact and get hands-on with the headset a couple of hours after the event. In fact, I do have a feeling Apple's been pushing back the release of this headset on purpose, since they want to announce this at an in-person event. That would explain why Mark Gurman said at the beginning of this year that we should see an in-person event around mid-2021, but of course, Apple's employees decided to refuse to go back to campus, and so that pushed back the release of this headset. Anyways, regarding other details on this headset, this is going to be a high-end device starting at $2,000. It's going to have dual 8K displays, more than 12 cameras, and also could only be 150 grams. The focus with this headset is going to be gaming for the most part according to Mark Gurman, and that does make sense because of course gaming is a big industry now, and VR/AR gaming is becoming a massive thing, and so I'm sure that Apple wants to grab a hold of this market as soon as possible, since of course they did miss out on the gaming market earlier with the Mac. But yes, couple the 8K displays, the super light and comfortable design, and also the possibility of maybe two M1 Maxes in this headset means that the gaming experience on this device should be pretty nuts. And do remember, for $2,000, the specs of this device does make it a pretty good deal in my opinion, even if it is out of reach for regular consumers. Anyways, tell me in the comments below guys, are you excited for this new VR/AR headset? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the M2 MacBook Air, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.